infographic with ChatGPT. So the first thing you'll do is log in and you're going to go to the three dots that say View Tools. Select Create Image and you'll see this updated symbol. ChatGPT can now create infographics that have a lot of text in it without having as many errors. So I'm going to copy and paste the prompt. So create an infographic explaining, and then I'm going to edit this, how generative AI users can mitigate ethical issues when using AI. So the more detail you add into your prompt, the better. If you have an outline of what you want in the infographic, that's even better. So the more detail you can provide it with, the less likely you will have errors. And here we go. And this is what you'll see at first. You're going to see this box that pops up and a loading screen, and it's going to tell you the stage, so getting started. This takes a few minutes, so I'm going to pause the video here and I'll restart it when it comes up. And here we go. So you will see it pop up. Notice there are some issues, like the margins, it got a little bit cut off here. There is some errors in the spelling, like unreliable, or there was another spelling error somewhere in here as well. So make sure that you do edit it. All right, so what you're gonna do next is you will save it. So you'll come right up here to the save button, and that is right here. I have already saved this to my computer. So select that button, and what it will look like is this. It'll pop up in your downloads. Now, in order to edit all those spelling errors that you may find in here, which usually there's not quite a lot, it's pretty good, you'll go to a photo editor. My go-to is Canva. You can use Photoshop. You can use whatever you've got and that you can edit a picture in. I'll bring it into Canva by uploading the file. And you can see I've already put it onto my Canva. And then I can make some edits to it. And I'll just quickly show you how I would edit it. So I can bring in this little square. And cover up any of the spelling errors, so reliable. Change the color. Select the eyedrop tool. Match the color. There's no border. Okay. Now I can go in and just put the text in. And to make sure that it all matches, I can go through, I can change the color of the text by making it match by using that eyedropper tool. So I can go in and select the color. And you can change the text type. So the text it comes up with may not 100% be a match for what ChatGPT generated, but you can find different ones in the drop-down menu and get as close as you possibly can. And it creates a pretty decent edit. And that's one way that I use Canva in order to make changes and things to my design. So if I don't want to have this because it's cut off, I can use that block again and cover it up. I can cover up this part over here as well. And there we go. So now it's a lot cleaner. The design looks really good. And that's just using Canva, which is free. And you can use any photo editor for the most part, and there's different ways that you can edit. Well, I hope you guys have fun creating some infographics with ChatGPT.
Thank you for watching, and join us next week for our next Tech Tip Tuesday. Brought to you by the Center for Teaching and Learning Excellence at St. Leo University.